everyone, this is Jyoti. I am from VerbalHub. Here I am with Miss Preety Sharma.
Thank you very much.
She has successfully completed her communication skills course. Now, let's have some words with her.
Thank you very much.
So, let's begin with your short introduction.
My name is Preety Sharma. I'm from Delhi. My qualification is I have completed graduation from Delhi University. I also do so many courses related to taxation, share market, and SAP. And I also done my communication and interview skill from VerbalHub. And currently, I'm working with Aerospace Logistics Private Limited. I have experience near about. Right now, I'm looking opportunities as an overseas level. So I want to crack my IELTS exam. And let me talk about my family. We are just only 4 members. My father is an ex-police officer, and my brother is working with Japanese MNC company. The company name is Sipla. He is working as a medical representative. My mother is housewife, and me.
So, Miss Preety, how did you get to know about VerbalHub?
When I wanted to improve my communication skills, so then I searched on internet. Then I saw VerbalHub name. When I contacted them, they replied me soon and explained very well. And then I joined the VerbalHub.
How was the experience with the trainers?
My experience was very good with VerbalHub trainer, because VerbalHub has a very experienced trainer. They teach students as per the student's requirement, and they work very well as the student weakness. So it was a fabulous experience, and it was a fabulous experience with the VerbalHub trainer, I can say.
How much has it helped you in your interview?
It helped me a lot in several ways. Before, I could not speak in public, and I could not face any interview. But after when VerbalHub trainer trained me, and they taught me how to speak in public and how to crack my interview, then I faced any type of interview, and I cracked many interviews.
Is there any message for upcoming students?
I want to give a message for upcoming students. For those students who want to join that type of place where they can learn in a short time, and so they can join VerbalHub, because VerbalHub trainer teach you as per the student requirement.
Thank you so much, Preety. Thanks for your time. I wish you best of luck.
Okay, thank you for interview.